Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode of Adventure Hobbs, we're going pond hopping. But before we get into the pond hopping video, we'd like to thank today's sponsor, Arkpax. Y'all, we got the links in the description. Be sure to go ahead and go click on the link, check them out, see what they got. They sent us the Ark Pro 2400 watts Ultra Seal IP67 water resistance Arkpax extra battery with all the goods and all the gadgets, the handles, the rollaway cart, the wheels. This thing gonna help with this channel. So y'all be sure, go check them out. Stay tuned. Let's get some fishing done. We're gonna try this fluke out, y'all. See what we got. See what we can do with it. See what we can do, yeah, or if we can do anything. I let it sink. Just give it a couple pops. Like a soft jerk bait, of course, you know. We're gonna take a small pause for this video. We're gonna thank today's sponsor, Arkpax. Y'all check them out. Thank you for sending us some goodies. And here's some things about Arkpax that you might need to know. All right, a lot of times when you go camping, and now like some people, they like the, as they call it, glamping, where you have all the electricity and all the bells and all the whistles. But a lot of times, like when you're in a survival challenge and things that we do on our channel, you don't get the option of have all the power sources that you need. Charging your boat, charging your batteries for your GoPros and your cameras and your phone, so we can keep filming, so y'all can keep watching. So check out what we got in the mail. We have the Ark Pro 2400 watts. This thing is right now is charging the boat. There's a lot of times that we go camping and we put the boat in the water. You can't charge the boat overnight if it's in the water. Take this down. You can sit it in the water, on the water, submerge it. It doesn't matter. It's water resistant, dust proof, waterproof, all that good stuff. But right now we're charging the boat, charging GoPro batteries, charging the phone. We have now. It's hard to see, but we have an emergency light. It's on, and it gets brighter and darker, but of course it's sunlight, you can't see it. But we have power on. Right now we got 3 devices going, and we're only burning 3 watts, y'all. 3 watts. This thing will last you a minute, and I mean a long minute. But we have 2 cigarette lighter ports, so you can plug cigarette lighters in for your phone chargers or whatever. We have the USB cord. We got the iPhone, the iPad chargers there. Also the GoPros, they can be charged there as well. Now here is your AC power. If you're camping and you want an air conditioned window unit, bam, plug that in, turn on your AC unit, it's on. Ark Pro 2400 watts. This is the Ultra Seal IP67 water resistance. Now, I'll be putting this to the test. All right, you're probably wondering why it's raining and sun shining. Well, it's not raining. It's my 9-year-old spraying me with the water hose. But it's just, woo! That's cold, but it is water resistant. It comes with snap handles, easy to grip, easy to lift. Okay, that's enough water, it's cold. All right, after the rainstorm that we just had, come in, zoom in. Power on. Still functions. Let me see this thing. Whoo! Still works. Now let's plug something in it. I ain't never seen no electronics go underwater and still work like that. So that was the craziest thing I ever done with anything electronic. We sunk it down in the pool. It's still got power. And right now, we're running some outside lights. We're just gonna see how long it lasts. We're at look, I've unused it. We're still at 98%. Got a long way to go. If this is something that you might be interested in, or you know somebody that might be interested in, we're gonna put all the links in the description, and there's gonna be a discount code, so you'll get a huge discount. Can't beat it. Oh, I just had a bite. A lot of people love this fluke fishing, and it's not that I don't like it. I haven't done a whole lot of it. Haven't done a whole lot of it. Oh, I just had one. I just had a bite there. There we go. We got the first one. We got the first fish. As soon as I cast it and let it fall, he was hitting on the downfall. Thank you, buddy. Whew. Man, that felt good, actually. It felt really good to finally catch one. We've been out here for about 15 minutes, and I had or maybe a little longer. I had one bite and one break off. That's the third one there. There we go. Oh, he let go. Him let go. That was two right there. But he decided not to play. So that's 3 fish missed. One landed. Y'all, I had a fish come right out from underneath this grass and hit it just as I was picking it up. There he goes. Same place. Stay on, buddy. Same place. Come right out on that grass. So I say, work it to the bank. There ain't nothing big, but it's fish. That's number 2 I can count. We'd like to thank Arkpax for sponsoring today's video. If you are interested in going to check them out, we're going to put all the links in the description. Go click on it, just take a gander, see what they're about, see what they got. Oh, I just had a, oh, there we go. We got one on no popper. come back and ate it twice. Interrupt the pond hopping videos. We went down to Florida just for a short period of time, and we had the Ark Pro with us, the Arkpax, and I was like, you know what, let's take it, let's do some catch and cook. So y'all are about to see some clips from this video that we shot. It was from a bridge that I grew up fishing. We used to have so much luck there. We used to catch, cook all the time. We have it in the back of the truck, so we were like, you know what, let's do it, give it a shot. So y'all are about to see some small clips from that video right now. All right, so I fished here all my life, and I have a few secret spots. I say secrets, a few spots that I've been here so long I know the deal. But where I'm at now, there's a deep channel that runs through this bridge. Underneath this one, and you can, I don't know if you can see it, but there's so many bait fish. And what they do is they follow this channel, and it goes around to these docks. So there's a lot of big fish that come through here, especially with tide is in. The tide's in right now. There's a lot of bait fish. So we're just gonna chunk some out there and see what we can get. Then let it sit there like that. But we're gonna put this thing through the test. Arkpax. We got our hot plate. Hopefully we can catch us something and put on it. A little catch and cook, y'all. Look at that bait ball. Oh, there's fish all in there. Oh my goodness, look at all that fish. I hope the camera can show. I hope you can see all this through the camera.
What you doing, babe?
I'm replying to the old YouTube comments.
Charging your phone?
Yeah. Charge the phone, charging some batteries. Where we at? We're using 4 watts. We got 99.9 hours still. Hopefully we can put this whole hot plate to work. I have one back. There's a lot of people, well, I say a lot of people. There's a few people out here. There's one leaving right now. Nobody's not having no luck. So. We might go down a little bit further and try to get a little deeper, I guess. Y'all have any luck?
For him, oh yeah. Yeah, man,
you caught them all, didn't you?
I caught one with teeth.
One with teeth? Uh-oh. Y'all have a good one. You caught one with teeth. Well, we're getting some bumps again. It's slow. We are getting some bumps, but we ain't landing nothing yet. If we had to survive on what we caught today, huh?
We would be hungry.
Yep, we would be. All right, y'all. Just catch and cook ain't doing too well, so we went and got us some hot dogs. We went and got us some hot dogs. We got power. We got some power now. We're gonna throw some of these hot dogs on here. Let me on too.
Sure.
Woo. Look at that fish, y'all. Them fish frying. Catch and cook. We call it some hot dogs. Call it some hot dog, didn't we?
Catfish nuggets.
Huh?
Catfish nuggets.
Yeah, that's what we call them, some catfish nuggets. That's when you know you're good. You can make catfish nuggets look like hot dogs, right?
Yeah, they look pretty good.
Yep. We still got quite a bit of power. Our battery's at between both batteries is at 160% between both batteries. Well, the right side, we still got the other side left too. But, anyway. I think we're gonna turn that off, let them simmer down just a little bit. But hey, it worked. Charges all of our cameras, our phones, our batteries. We cook some dinner with it. We catch fish now, that'd be great. I ain't gonna lie. Best tasting saltwater catfish I ever had.
Are you serious? Oh.
Well, got me wrapped up. That's the thing about fishing bridges. Oh man, waited all day for that one bite.
I guess it's better than nothing.
Yeah. I knew as soon as he got around that piling it was over with. I was trying to get him out of it, but oh well. Well, the catch and cook didn't go as planned. It's hot. There wasn't nobody catching no fish. We did cook, we just didn't catch. I had one good one just hook up at the last minute. Got me wrapped around pilings, and there's no match for that. But anyway, ooh, it's hot. Tell you what though, it does work. It kept our batteries charged on our phones, kept our GoPro batteries going. Even cooked us up some hot dogs while we're on the bridge. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like, drop us a comment, tell me what you think, tell me what you want. Till then, see you on the next adventure.